My dear students, I am going to explain what is roasting. R-O-A-S-T-I-N-G. Roasting is the process of converting metallic sulfide into oxide. That means in the presence of excess of air, metallic sulfides, as here zinc sulfide, is reacted with presence of air, and abundance of air should be there. Excess of air should be there to make the reaction of zinc sulfide with excess of air, and then only we will get zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. So we find that 2 molecules of zinc sulfide reacts with 3 molecules of water. 3 molecules of oxygen, and then we get 2 molecules of zinc sulfide and 2 molecules of sulfur dioxide. So in this way, the reaction is balanced. 2 molecules of zinc sulfide, you find 2 zinc and 2 sulfur atoms are there, and 3 molecules of oxygen, so we get 6 atoms of oxygen in the reactants. And in the product, 2 molecules of zinc sulfide, the 2 atoms of zinc and 2 atoms of sulfur we get. 2 ZNO, that is 2 atoms of zinc and 2 atoms of oxygen we get, and 2 molecules of sulfur dioxide, in which 2 atoms of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen we get. So in this way we find metallic sulfide is reacting in abundance of air, in excess of air, and then metallic oxide is formed and sulfur dioxide is formed in this way, and that is the ore. Zinc sulfide is an ore of zinc, in which sulfur is an impurity. So that sulfur, which is an impurity, is removed in the presence of excess of oxygen, and then only it is forming zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide is removed. So this is only called roasting. So metallic sulfides are reacted. Thank you. If you like, please share.